Alright, so today we are going to learn how to convert PDF to Word. You have PDF document, you are thinking about how to convert it to Word. It's easy. Follow along. Now I have a PDF document on the computer. Let me open it. Alright, so I have this PDF document. So if you try to edit this, you will not be able to edit this. You cannot edit this. So how do we convert it to Word so we can edit it easily? Alright, to do that, minimize this. Then you open Word. Open Word. Alright, so what you are going to do is that you can just drag the PDF document on the desktop onto the Word. So I will drag this. Over here to the Word. The Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF. So let's click on OK and let's wait for it. Boom! I hope you can see it. We were able to convert our PDF to editable Word document where we can edit. So let's try and see whether we can edit this. Alright, so we can be able to edit this. So Word cap. So we are able to edit this. You can edit any of the place you want to edit. You can edit it. The image, if you want to change it, you can do it. Alright. So we're able to edit our Word. We can also use another method. That one will go online. I don't want my video to be long, so I'll end it over here and come back for the part 2 of that particular version. Thank you very much.